Wealthsimple robo-advisor honest review. Watch before using. Most people think investing is only for experts with expensive advisors. You won't believe what happens next when investing becomes simple and automatic. Wealthsimple is a robo-advisor platform that builds and manages a diversified investment portfolio for you. Instead of choosing individual stocks, you answer a few questions about your goals, income, and risk tolerance. Wealthsimple then creates a personalized portfolio using low-cost exchange-traded funds. Once your account is funded, Wealthsimple automatically invests your money, rebalances your portfolio, and reinvests dividends. This means your investments stay aligned with your goals without constant manual adjustments. The surprising truth about long-term investing is that consistency matters more than perfect timing. Wealthsimple focuses on discipline, low-fee investing that historically performs better over time than frequent trading. You can open tax-advantaged accounts, retirement accounts, and standard investment accounts all in one place. The platform also offers socially responsible portfolios and helpful investing options for ethical investors. Wealthsimple's app makes it easy to track your progress, schedule automatic deposits, and visualize your long-term growth. This platform is best for beginners, busy professionals, and long-term savers who want a hands-off investing experience with professional structure. If you want simple, automated investing without stress, Wealthsimple is a strong option. Subscribe for more honest investing platform reviews.